When searching for the right roofing professional, keep these important things in mind. It's smart to ask about the roofer's experience and what kind of work they've done for other local customers. Also, always inquire about the kind of insurance protection the roofer holds and what kind of warranty comes with their work. It's also a good idea to ask the roofing professional if they're a member of any local or national professional roofers organizations. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a roofing professional that's right for you. 1. A roofer should be able to provide a license that certifies they're a qualified professional or specialize in a certain type of application. 2. Roofing contractors are used to being asked for references before a customer agrees to start a job, so there shouldn't be a problem receiving a list of references which you can research. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right roofing professional. The information we provide will save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.